Ever wondered how your college degree can be your ticket to serious money? Welcome to the world where your academic achievements can be leveraged for financial success. It's a common misconception that a degree is only a stepping stone to a traditional job route. But what if we tell you that your degree can be much more than that? It could be your key to unlocking untold financial prosperity. Stay tuned as we uncover the steps to turn your degree into a money-making machine. First things first, identify the unique skills your degree has equipped you with. Your degree, regardless of its concentration, has armed you with a set of skills that not everyone possesses. These skills are your golden ticket, your secret weapon to turning your degree into serious money. Think about it. If you've studied literature, you've likely honed your critical thinking and analytical skills. If you've pursued a science degree, you've probably mastered the art of research and problem solving. Maybe you've graduated with a degree in business or communications, cultivating a knack for effective communication and negotiation. These skills are not just academic, they are transferable, applicable to various fields and roles in the professional world. They can be your unique selling points in the job market or the foundation of your own entrepreneurial venture. The key here is to recognize these skills, to understand their value and potential for monetization. Remember, your degree is not just a piece of paper. It's a toolbox filled with unique skills waiting to be unleashed. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to look for opportunities. Now that you've got a handle on your skills, let's explore opportunities where they can shine. Your degree is not just a piece of paper, it's a key that opens many doors. You can venture into freelancing, where you can leverage your expertise in diverse projects, or try consulting, where your knowledge can solve specific problems for businesses or individuals. Consider online teaching. The world is hungry for knowledge, and you can feed that hunger while monetizing your degree. Or why not entrepreneurship? Think about how your degree-related skills can fill a gap in the market and create a business around that. Remember, innovation and thinking outside the box are crucial in these ventures. The world is evolving, and so should your approach. Your degree doesn't define you, it equips you. So, look beyond traditional roles and carve out your own path. Identifying opportunities is just the beginning. It's the next step that really counts. You've got the skills and you found the opportunities. Now it's time to sell yourself. Imagine yourself as a product on a shelf. Your packaging, that's your personal brand, is what catches the eye. It's essential to create a compelling and consistent brand across your resume, social media profiles, and professional website if you have one. Next, consider your online presence. It's your billboard, your advertisement to the world. Make it count. Showcase your skills, share your insights, and engage with others in your field. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts, it's about planting seeds and nurturing relationships. Showcasing your skills effectively is like providing a product demo. It's your chance to show potential clients or employers what you can do. It could be a portfolio, case studies, or even testimonials. These are your proofs of concept, your evidence of value. Remember, you are the product, and it's all about how well you market yourself. Finally, it's time to unleash your full potential and turn your college degree into a cash cow. You've identified your skills, explored opportunities, and marketed yourself. What's next? The journey doesn't end here, it's merely the beginning. Let's recap the steps. Firstly, we identified our skills, the foundation of our potential earning power. Then we explored opportunities, where we learned how to leverage our skills in the marketplace. Finally, we marketed ourselves, putting our best foot forward to attract opportunities. But is that it? Far from it. You see, in this rapidly changing world, continuous learning and adaptation are your allies. They keep you ahead of the curve and ready to seize opportunities as they come. Now let's talk about your potential. Just like a seed has the potential to grow into a towering tree, your degree has the potential to transform into serious money. But this transformation requires dedication, persistence, and smart work. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. Imagine the sense of fulfillment when your efforts bear fruit, when your degree, once just a piece of paper, starts generating serious revenue. It's more than possible, it's within your reach. Your college degree is more than just a piece of paper, it's a key to unlock your financial success. It's time to unlock that success and step into a world of endless possibilities.